Today we gonna be all up in the mirror together. Welcome back to another episode of Moments in the Mirror with Makiba. Hey tribe, what it do? Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Makiba, aka Why Not Keeb. Today's video, you guessed it, we're gonna talk about this hair, darling. Quarantine slays, darling. Ooh, you can look good on the top. You get the sweatpants on the bottom. You get the earrings going, honey. You are it. This is the time to practice our skills, okay, and get our wig game up. Talent levels on point, so when outside opens up, we in it. You know what I'm saying? We in it. All right, so we're gonna get into this hair here. It's been a while since I've had something long like this, 24, baby. Long like this, and such a loose curl, but it's like a pretty loose wave curl. I'm feeling it. It's taking me on vacation. It's super lightweight, but at the same time, it's full. Like it has a fullness to it. I hate thin hair. I hate it. And I think this gives me like a full look while still being really lightweight on my head. All right, y'all, so let's get into the details of this here unit. So this wig is from brooklynhair.com, and look at how juicy these curls look straight out the package. This is their loose deep wave. Now, there may be an opportunity at the end of this video, y'all, for you to get a buy one, get one free. Just saying. So you better watch till the end. Yes, I said it. Okay, it's happening. Yes, there's a buy one, get one free promo code. Don't head, but stay here. Watch till the end of this video, okay, y'all, for your code. So this wig does not come pre-plucked. You're gonna have to customize it to meet your needs of your hairline. I love to start off to the side first, starting with that like just above like the temple kind of nape area. And then I'll finally work my way along the whole thing, but this is just to show you some of the progress. Whew. Let's get her. And I'm gonna see if we can just not gel her on, because you guys also know I love to be free. So if I don't have to sleep in her, then we don't have to sleep in her, you know what I'm saying? Gotta switch it up. We're gonna touch up a little bit of see the color there? It's a little bit light. Blend her in. Oh, we're getting there. If you want to go for it and just gel it down, I mean, it's not that complicated, really. I just, you know, sometimes I just don't want any product on my face. I'm always stuck between this battle where I'm like, should I just gel it and call it a day? You know what I mean? It's not like it's that hard. I was just being lazy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We gon' gel it a little. Okay, y'all. So I'm going for like a no part, slightly toss over look texture here. Just using a bit of water. Cute. We all in quarantine, but we dreaming of a vacation right now, honey. Taking me all the way. This is low maintenance. Low maintenance, honey. This is no product or anything. When this gets wet, you're gonna look cute. Should I just do a part and call it a day? Like, give myself a clean part? What do you think? Should I? And just open it up a bit? Yeah, might as well, right? Okay. I'm not even actually gonna tweeze this. I'm just gonna brighten this up a bit with a bit of makeups. I need like a hoop, an earring or something. We're gonna do these earrings because they're my favorite these days. Ooh. Okay, honestly, this was hella low maintenance. Super easy. I think the longest thing really you have to do is that you do have to customize the hairline a little bit. You know, give yourself a little tweeze McGee's over here. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment below. Guys, the best part about this is that you and your bestie, okay, could be looking right together. Because the wig is buy one, get one free. That's right, y'all. I did not stutter. This wig is buy one, get one free. So here is how you can use the coupon code that's going to be in the description box below to get your buy one, get one free. Team up with your bestie, team up with your mama, team up with your friend, or team up with yourself and treat yourself to a buy one, get one free wig over at brooklynhair.com. But it's not everybody who's going to benefit from this, so it's actually only 10 people. So I hope you're one of those lucky 10 people, and I hope you showed up here first to benefit from all of this. But yes, y'all, we can be matching twinsies. Description box below for the coupon code. These are some hard trying times right now, and honest to God, something buy one get one free means you could team up with someone else or for yourself even. Just getting that deal, having a little discount. Y'all, if that ain't a pick me up, I don't know what is, honey. It's so lightweight. So lightweight because it's full lace. And I haven't really had like a full lace wig in a while. And it's like you kind of forget how lightweight they are. How lightweight. And it still looks full. You guys know I love me some volume. Y'all know I hate thin hair. It's a full look without being heavy on my head. Like it's light. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's what you want to be. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm going